Greg Marchand here. Let's talk about feedback and employee development. Look, I already said something about in a previous video about the employee review process yearly. That is really, really important because you need to hear from employees what they see, what they think, where they want to go, where they want to grow, and then employees need to hear from you what you see, what you think, and so that you can talk about those differences and build a plan around those differences for that employee to grow in the direction that they want to and for them to grow in the direction that you need them to. So give positive feedback. Critical feedback is great. Be careful how you do it. Words matter, right? Always give them something positive first and then suggest there's one area that there could be improvement in. Get good at your words, but get comfortable with getting feedback yourself and giving feedback to your employees, and you're going to watch those employees develop and grow right in front of your eyes. Smash that subscribe button, all right? If you like the content, keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.